right, we're gonna take off the driver's side, left side tail light off this '08 Subaru Forester. All right. Yes. So what we have here, we're gonna use a 10 millimeter socket to remove this. 1, 2. You're gonna notice on this edge here, once I take that out, it just pulls off. So you have these tabs here. You able to see it? This tab, that one goes in here, and this one goes in there. It's just by applying pressure and taking it off. You know what? I think what they did here, this is evidence of the trailer hitch that's down here. So that's the reason for all this questionable what we're seeing here. Push this upward and make sure you grab it. Okay, so what I did, I grabbed it with my fingers. Put that out, or else that's gonna fall on the floor. So this is originally from the car, and what they had to do here, there's some conduit. That's conduit there. Pretty good. So they just had that worked in there. So if this was just a regular car, just take this out and you're done. That's it. Thank you.